is now finished. I will attempt to pick this up so you can see it. Good job these things are light. So it is very long, goes all the way down to there. So on me it touches the floor. Morning all. So it's just gone 10 o'clock. I have been up for quite a while. I was making sure my eldest was up. He's got things to do today. But I've just been setting up the Zoom links for the meeting for my local craft group. So I've just put that on the next door group and on Facebook. See who turns up, because I don't know who's going to turn up. They've been asking me to sort out an evening one, but every time I try, no one actually responds. So what's the point? So last night I got this much done on the Alf. So I'm just about to start the decreases on that one, so it shouldn't take too long. I will get the face on the snowman at some point today, just when I can be bothered. I've got my light on because it's actually raining and miserable and dark, hence the poor lighting. It's really miserable out there. But swap hands, my arms get tired. So yeah, I'm going to get the Alf finished today, get some studying hopefully, and host a craft meeting on Zoom. So yeah, a few plans for the day, so I'll check with you all later. Bye. Hi guys, just pop in and say it's almost 2 o'clock. I'm supposed to be doing my Zoom craft club meetup, but most people have said they can't come and no one's actually responded to my questions about if anyone who can actually come, so I've cancelled it. To be honest, I'm a little annoyed. This happened with the physical craft group I ran last year. Everyone said they wanted to come, they kept telling me to keep it going, and then people would just keep dropping out and not coming. Now I know life gets in the way and, you know, lots of things going on, but what's the point of me wasting my time setting up a group if people are just going to keep messing me around? So I'm going to give it another couple of weeks, and if this happens again, I'm just going to cancel the group. So I'm going to get back to doing the Alf. I did my usual. I made the body and then remembered I hadn't made the arms. So I've now made the arms and I'm about to attach them. So I'm going to get on with that instead. And I don't know what I'm going to do about the craft group. I was quite looking forward to it, but if people are just going to keep saying they can't come again, I know there's work and there's health problems at the moment, and you know, life is pretty not good at the moment, is it really? But don't say you want to commit to a group if you can't commit to that group. It's wasting my time setting it all up, and I'm running 2 different groups for this group because some are on Facebook, some are on the next door group, so I have to actually post twice for everything I do, as well as respond to the messages on both Facebook and next door, and make sure I work around whatever I've got to do around this timetable, and then they don't bother responding. It's rude. It's just, so yeah, I'm a little annoyed at the moment. But, oh well, I'm going to get back to the crochet instead. I'll see you all later. Bye. Morning all, so it's Friday the 4th. I didn't finish off last night's vlog. It got a little hectic here in the evening and I just didn't get a chance to do it. So I'm going to put this on the end of that and put the 3rd and the 4ths out together. I'm sure you lot won't mind. So I've almost got the Alf finished. He needs his face and I just need to sew on his legs because he hasn't got them yet. But otherwise he's done, so it won't take long to do. It won't take long to sew on the legs. I'm going to make a robin next, I think, because that should be reasonably quick. It's basically a ball with some colourings and things, so that's what I'm going to do next. And then I'll see what time it is to what I've got time to do more of. I'm very tired. I woke up very early and I had a very bad night, so I'm just kind of one of those matchsticks in the eyes days. But we'll see how it goes. I'll see you all later. Bye. Hi guys, so it's Friday evening. It's not very late. It's 6:20. We haven't gone for our walk yet. We're going in a minute. Duncan worked late again. Yes, I'm going to make you all drunk trying to work out which way this camera goes to make it straight. Sorry. So the robin that I've been crocheting, I'm over it. Okay, first it was too small, then it was too big, and then it was just so it is this, and it still needs his eyes and his wings and things and beak and all that. But the basic shape is now done because I've had enough and I don't care what it looks like anymore. But the snowman does have his face and his little coal buttons, so he needs his carrot nose still. Basically, I couldn't be bothered to get up and get the orange on, so I will do that later on today. The elf has his legs and his face, so he is done. And of course, Father Christmas was done the other day. So we have a snowman, an elf, a Father Christmas, and as soon as I've done the finishing bits on that, we'll have a robin. And that's all they get. It's way less than I planned on sending in, but it's not gone well, and I can't deal. I've had enough. Crocheting has been hard work today, so I give up. I just give up, plain and simple. So we're going to go out for our walk, and then I don't know what we're doing tonight, because we were potentially playing Mario Kart with my study buddies. We were originally going to do it last night, but that got cancelled, and we were possibly going to do it tonight, but no one's mentioned it yet, so I don't know. So I don't know what we'll do otherwise. Yeah, I have no idea. I don't know what we're doing this weekend, but hopefully I'll get out of the house, and then you won't just be bored of me sat here doing nothing other than telling you things. So I'm going to go. Hopefully this vlog hasn't bored you too much. And I will see you all soon. So you take care. Bye.